With Ukraine's drone army continuing to destrov Russian armored vehicles, it has become more common to see shed or turtle protection on these with thin metal sheets, leaving almost no added protection, only covering the top side of the vehicle, and for drones dropping grenades down, while a FPV drone can often maneuver around the protection. Once damaged in combat, the flimsy shed is often damaged, letting the drone still be able to drop down grenades. Shown with multiple armored vehicles destroyed, the added protection has no major impact, still easy to start burning and exploding.